So today I am talking about holistic healing. So I have knowledge about other things like homeopathy, Ayurvedic, naturopathy, and astrology. So after learning Reiki, I have found that this Reiki has given me immense strength, and this helps me in every field of these therapies to empower to make medicines more effective. Through Reiki, we can do meditation. Actually, I have learned meditation through various institutions like Art of Living and Buddha meditation. But after learning Reiki, it's like we can switch over within 5 minutes. So our meditation is very strong due to Reiki, and our all the chakras are healing, and we can feel it. It's like instantly we can feel the energize, and our this we feel really good. So Reiki has, through Reiki we can charge our medicines, we can charge our room, we can charge our water. Even this water charging give me like enough strength if someone is not feeling well. So we can charge food also. So and as I say ki meditation, through Reiki meditation, we can switch over immediately, like within 5 minutes I can switch over through Reiki meditation. So these are the scientific studies. They show ki how meditation benefits our health. So we become more focused because all the time we are receiving divine energy. So we become more focused. We can conquer our bad habits, whatever the bad habits we have. Just we just they go just like that. It's like I used to get up late in the morning, or our food habit was not very regular. So once I started doing meditation, so everything is coming properly. So it's like you can conquer your bad habits. Then you immune to bad association. Once you are into Reiki or you are into meditation, all the time you are getting positive energy and you are connected to divine. So you don't want to mingle any bad people or bad fellows. And then it's after in meditation I have found as a weekend controlling mentality. Controlling mentality is like we can understand other person's perspective also. So we cannot control others. And once you understand others perspective, so your relations are better. It's like your relations with maid, even family, with kids, even husband. You feel you have good relationship because always you think about others perspective rather than being selfish. So in that way your life is in harmony, your mood is stable. Always we think we should be happy, we should be and always divine power and Reiki power is guiding us continuously. Then of course when we are in good mood, we are in healthy situation, our tolerance ability is also increased. We just always think, oh, let it go, let them go, whatever is happening, let it go. We have to be happy. So in once you are continuously happy, and it scientific studies shows ki we can this meditation increases immunity very much. And this it stops genetic disorder. This is very important factor. There is no cure in for genetic disorder in present time. So meditation, this slowly we can conquer our this genetic disorder. Then again after practicing meditation, our body, soul, everything is in a sync. So we are safe from negative energies, negative emotions. And if we have any problem, so we always think this problem is trivial. God can handle it, God can give us direction, divine energy is there which can guide me continuously. So in any problem you just surrender to God. It's really helpful. And then again scientific studies shows ki our vitamin B12 it increases once we practicing continuously meditation. And slow down aging is also it slows down the aging, as it is very important for us everyone. Then our eating habit, our kya kehte hain, whatever the habits, sleep order, everything is like in, everything is in a like a proper way. Everything we can regulate. Then of course, once we are continuously in this atmosphere, in this environment, our value system becomes very strong. And this 17th point is painless death. So once we surrender, once we accept the reality of life, so whatever is happening, we just think it is a divine power is doing this, so we accept death also. And this is last point, but this is the most important point, and this we develop divine love. So this is very important, and I believe without divine love we cannot do anything. So as I am talking about health, physical health, so we know physical health, physical health, for physical health we can do yoga, pranayam. Any condition is there, yoga and pranayam is very important. Then we can do homeopathy. Homeopathy, as we know, they work in a proper focused manner. We can charge homeopathy. Even I am practicing regularly. I charge homeopathic medicines, then I give to anyone. So they are already very effective. We know homeopathy medicines, they have energy. They have also different kind of energy. There is no material doses. So once we give homeopathy, so each medicine has its own energy. So when we charge this medicine through Reiki, so they become very effective. And next is Ayurvedic. Through Ayurvedic, we can increase our immune system very nicely. I have seen in my experience Tulsi, Giloy, and Ashwagandha. They work very nicely for increasing our immune system. But still, we can take other medicines also for small problem. Just Tulsi, Ashwagandha, Giloy is sufficient enough. But and next topic is naturopathy. Again, naturopathy, we have to eat diet according to our health condition. Especially I charge my food, I charge my water, and I charge my room. So as if everything is in a sync, or everywhere it's a positive energy, so that I have seen healing is really very fast. Astrology, suppose if we have, if someone has very long term problem, after trying so many things, still is not getting up, getting well soon. So what we can do, we can look at our astrology, planetary position. Sometimes some planets are not favoring us, so we can do either puja, or we can wear some stones. Of course, we take some astrologers help. Then again, angel healing. I have learned angel healing through Shweta ji. It's wonderful working, especially if and it's a very calm and quiet, and you can immediately feel the energy is coming from angel. Then crystal healing. Again, we can heal our chakras. We can heal our body through crystals also. Then mantra chanting, as everybody knows, Mahamrityunjay mantra is very effective for any health condition. Even AIMS Delhi, they have done some research on some patients. They found very positive results. Out of 18 patients who were in coma, they recovered. 16 patients recovered from the coma. So they have done studies in AIMS Delhi. So Mahamrityunjay mantra is very effective, as everybody knows. Then still, if someone is having still problem and not getting, then they can see the, is if past life karma is there, yeah, past life trauma is anything is there, then they can go this past life regression therapy. So that's what I believe, and I am practicing regularly. I am finding very helpful for these things. So present example I can tell is like last week my son got hurt. He has eye injury. He has severe pain, and his vision was blurred. So I gave him some homeopathic Ayurvedic medicines and gave him Reiki healing. So then he slept. Next morning he woke up, and his pain was gone, but still vision was blurred. So immediately I gave him Reiki surgery, and you won't believe, So before Reiki surgery, he was not able, his vision was blurred, but after Reiki surgery, his vision was immediately cleared. So it's a really very good case for me also. So I'm really impressed with the Reiki, because Reiki is helping healing myself and others, and in all those therapies, it is helping, it is increasing their power. So that's why I'm really thankful to Shwetaji. She taught me about Reiki. That's what I can say about holistic healing.
Thank you so much, Rashmiji. That was a wonderful presentation. Thank you so much. So, like it was such insightful about all the aspects of holistic healing. You have explained so well. Thank you. So now we are going.